all in this great webinar organized by the Evolve Club Aurangabad on this prestigious day of Holika Dahan. Holika Dahan symbolizes the power of the victory of the positivity over negativity, and I'm 100% sure that at the end of this webinar, you people will get some power of positivity and good values in your life. Now, I would like to introduce you our today's speaker, Mr. Rahul Patil sir. He has done his engineering from mechanical branch. He is an entrepreneur, youth trainer, and motivational speaker. Engineer Rahul Patil sir has completed his engineering from JNEC College. After completing his graduation, he worked for Eicher. Now, currently he is running his family business of automobile. He is one of the founding members of Evolve Club Aurangabad. He has delivered many motivational seminars like Power of Habits, Journey Within, and Mind Management, etc. in different engineering colleges like Government College of Engineering Aurangabad, MIT Aurangabad, JNEC Aurangabad, CSMSS Aurangabad. The hundreds of students are connected to him and taking continuously guidance from him. He is endowed with many wonderful qualities such as team planning, the forbearance, forgiveness, and compassion. He is very fond of playing musical instruments and singing the melodies. Now, I would request to Rahul Patil sir to take over the mic. Rahul Patil sir.
Cool. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope so. I'm audible to you all. If yes, either you all can unmute yourself and you tell me is it audible, or either you can drop a message at the chat box so that I may know. Am I audible to you all, please? Can I know? Okay. So I'm getting a message over here. The students are saying that I'm audible to each and every one of you. Thank you very much, my dear. So first of all, cool, good afternoon to good morning to one and all. I am saying cool because it is warm outside and it's summer running. So that is why just I am saying it as a cool good morning to you all. So thank you, my dear friends, students, for being a part of this session. Today's session, which is that is on the way towards success. Before starting this session, I would like to congratulate each one of you for getting selected or for getting admitted in Government Engineering College of Aurangabad. It is a great good success in your life. Definitely. Second more important thing now, as far as time is concerned, I will not take much more time and I will just go ahead with the session now, my dear friends. So, next. So this is the overview of today's session. These are some few points which I'm going to touch and go ahead. So first is what is success? Second is principle of success. What are those principles of success? Third point is setting the goal. And fourth thing is identify your distraction. Fifth point is do we need to practice? And the last one, that is importance of GPS in the car. Next please. So these are some few points which we will be seeing today, my dear friends. So this is a slide on your screen now. You're seeing it. What is success? If anyone of you wanted to contribute, what I think is, as far as the session is concerned, the session is like I'm like in Bangalore or somewhere else, and you all are in the different uh, states or different districts of Maharashtra. So let there be an interactive session, my dear friends. So what is success? If anyone wanted to try, you may tell it, or if not, I will go ahead. Okay, no problem. I will just go ahead. Next, please. And this is, do you wanted to be a successful in life? It sounds very good to hear. And I hope so. You might be saying there, sir, that is why we are not in this state. That is why we are not in the Government Engineering College of Aurangabad. Definitely you wanted to be a successful in your life. Yeah, sure, definitely. But now let us see and let us learn actually what is success. What is this? If I'm not wrong, every person in this world is running behind this success. First of all, thing, I wanted to acknowledge one more important thing. As far as my knowledge is concerned, let me tell you this. Uh, Before, I had many more sessions for Government Engineering College of Aurangabad, JNC College, MIT College, Devgiri College, CSMSS College. But you know what? I always feel very energetic and very enthused to have such kind of sessions with the Government Engineering College of Aurangabad students. That doesn't mean that I'm not happy with them all or what. Definitely, I'm happy with that. But it makes much more energetic for me to have sessions with you all young youth of a particular college. Why? Because you all people are literally intellectual people. But you know, my dear friends, what? In life, just being intellectual will not work. It sounds little bit difficult. How? Because see, you may be intellectual in your life, you may be intellectual in your particular activity, but your sincerity matters. How sincere you are with your life, it makes much more sense in the life. Just being intellectual will never work. So it also needs a alignment of, that is, seriousness, sincerity in the life. Next, please. So first thing is, as soon as we see what is success or what actually success means, there are some few numbers immediately, few names immediately strike to our mind, or some pictures of people those who are successful in their life, as if it is reflecting on your screen that are Ambani family, then that is Bill Gates, and this is the currency note which everyone wants. And I'm not wrong if I may say that everyone is running behind that. Definitely, I'm damn sure. Everyone is doing for that. यदि मैं आप सबको बोलूं कि आपके कॉलेज में यदि अंबानी आते हैं और अंबानी आएंगे और अगर अंबानी बोलते हैं कि कल से मैं आप सबको 50 करोड़ देने वाला हूं, not to only that, but he again goes little ahead and says, not only 50 crore, I will give you a good bungalow and car. Not only this, but I will also give you my daughter. If Ambani says, I don't know whether he's having daughter or no, this I'm telling you. If he says, I will also give you my son or daughter, whatever else, assume that wherever necessary. I don't feel so that tomorrow you all will wear uniform and icon of your college and will enter the gate of your college. I think so. It will not happen. Because सब कुछ तो मिल गया है, जॉब है, पार्टनर है, everything. But my dear friend, the definition which is always striking to our mind, what does success mean? This. Just money, money, money. Achieving this, achieving that, that is success. Yeah, that may be success, my dear friend, definitely. But we need to little bit uplift our consciousness and our intelligence, our thinking power little up. That is what that is. Yes, this is success, no doubt. But this is success for, let's say, for 70 years or 80 years. but we also need to think of a prolonged successful life. I will not touch that part today. Hope so. Some another time I will touch it. But today let us see this. So next please. अभी मान लो सक्सेस की डेफिनेशन तो बहुत सारे हैं. नेक्स्ट. तो next slide. Just wait. Yeah. So now this is slide on your screen. It says that success changes with respect to person. My dear friends, I will tell you now. See, the definition for success literally changes with respect to person. If this person feels success for this particular thing, another may not feel for the same thing. He has something different in his life. So what is that? Let us please be with me, my dear friends. So that is first one. यदि कोई 3 साल का बच्चा है तो उसके लिए उसके जीवन में सक्सेस क्या है? If he doesn't urinate in his pants, that is success for that 3-year-old child. Let him going ahead. If the child is 8 to 10 years old, what is success for the child who is 8 to 10 years old? Success for him is if he comes home alone. And if there is someone who is 14 years old, what is success for him? Success for him is if he is associating with good friends. Again, going ahead. यदि कोई 18 साल का बच्चा है तो उसके लिए जीवन में यश प्राप्ति करना क्या है? If he has a license, 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler, whatever it may be, he feels success in that. If someone is 21 to 22 years old, what is success for him? Success for him is completing a degree with good pointer. If someone is 26 years old, success for him is if he's having job, a good job, not only job, a good job. If someone is 28 years old, what is success for him? Success for him is if he has a good family life, if he has good kids. If someone is 45 years old, success for that particular person is if he has good savings in the bank. If someone is 50 years old, success for that person is if his child are getting settled. Now, again, little bit ahead. If someone is 60 years old, success for him is if he keeps his driving license with him, or let's say driving license of driver with him, and he still wanted to drive the car. A success for 70 years old person is if he has still friends with him. Success for 80 years person is if I come home alone. And now last one. If someone is 90 years old, success for that particular person is again he does not urinate in his pants. If you see, my dear friend, this is a cycle of our life. It's a good cycle of life. And that is what we all are revolving. So success changes with respect to person, my dear friend. Also, if I'm not wrong, with time also. Next please. So now, a very important thing. So then what are those principles of success? If just having money will not work, if just having all these things will not work, then what is actually success? And one more important thing is, first, second, and third, these are 3 principles of the life. These are 3 principles of success. First is clarity, second is connect, and third is contribution. Now, what do we mean by clarity actually? What is this clarity in life? Clarity means you all are in government engineering college. You all studied very hard in 12th, and then you got placed in this government engineering college. There were few friends with you, they were also studying with you. पर थोड़ा उनकी जो पढ़ाई वो थोड़ी कम हो गई, उसके कारण मान लो कोई MIT कॉलेज में है, मान लो कोई JNC कॉलेज, तो जो MIT कॉलेज में है वो देखता है कि यार थोड़े 4 मार्क और मिलते तो मैं JNC में रहता. JNC वाला सोचता है कि यदि मैं थोड़ा और पढ़ाई कर लेता तो मुझे गवर्नमेंट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज मिल जाता. और आप सब गवर्नमेंट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में हैं, तो आप सबको लग रहा होगा मैं थोड़ा और पढ़ाई कर लेता. वैसे तो पढ़ाई तो की थी, थोड़े मार्क्स और मिल जाते तो मैं COP में रहता, right? But do you know what? The person, the student, one who is in COEP already placed, what he thinks? He thinks, if I to get some much more marks, I would be IIT. So, trying to tell here is, you see that I would be this, I would be that, I would be that. इतना ही नहीं, बल्कि बच्चे इंजीनियरिंग के लिए आते हैं, ब्रांचेस भी लेते हैं, and I have literally seen some of the students, they are going to the second year. Not only that, they are in final year, but still they are confused whether I took right branch or not. So what is this? We need to be very clarity. We need to have clarity of life, my dear friend. So that is what you need to understand yourself. You are placed in government engineering college, which is very good college, my dear friend. Now everything is whatever was in your hand, you already did, and it is literally a success, not mine in that. But now, just thinking that I would be there, it will not work, it will not make any sense. Rather, what you are going to do in this 4 years, it makes sense. It makes much more matter in the life. So, we need to have clarity of our life. What actually I want, we need to understand ourselves. First thing, we need to introspect ourselves. What is that? हम इंजीनियरिंग क्यों कर रहे हैं, ये पता होना चाहिए. पता है आपका ये क्यों है ना, जब आपके जीवन में ये क्यों ज्यादा बड़ा रहेगा ना, उतना आप प्रेरित रहेगी उसको हासिल करने के लिए. Otherwise, it will be just a random movement of a random event or mechanical event of your life. पापा बोले थे इसलिए इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा हूँ, बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारे इंजीनियरिंग थे इसलिए इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा हूँ. This will not work. We need to have clarity of our life. We need to understand ourselves. That is much more important. I will tell you one real life story. एक बच्चा हमारे पास आया और बोला, सर ऐसा ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है, मेरा जो रूममेट है वो फैन जो है वो 3 नंबर पे ही चलाता है, कभी बंद ही रखता है, लाइट बहुत जल्दी बंद कर देता है, समझ में नहीं आता क्या करूं, what should I do, what can I do. He's thinking those all things and he was saying what I should do. I'm literally confused. I can't understand him, sir. I said, cool, calm. And I said, first thing is, have you understood yourself first? So my dear friend, we need to understand first ourselves. And when I said this, it was very inspiring for me. And he literally said that, sir, I got it. But you said that.
So, my dear friends, I'm telling you, we need to understand ourselves first. We need to understand actually what I want in my life. What are my needs and what are my wants? That are much more important things in my life, my dear friends. So, second is connect. So, what is this connect now? The moment, the situation you understood, the clarity, and you understood yourself, you should now take a step to connect to it now. Is a much more important thing. And accept whatever it is. It should be good. That's what I'm telling. And third is contribution. Contributing to others, contributing to society, which is much more important. और चलो मान लो यदि ये प्रिंसिपल्स अगर जीवन में नहीं होते एक पर्सन के, तो व्हाट हैपेंस विथ हिम, वी विल सी दैट टू नाउ. Next please, next slide. I can't see a slide there. Slide check. Little slow. Okay. Next. यही स्लाइड पे रहो. सो यहाँ पर कुछ इमेजेस आप देख रहे होंगे. इनका नाम है मीना कुमारी, फिर वहां पर एक नाम है किशोर कुमार जी, और फिर है औरंगजेब. अभी देखो, हम सबके एक सक्सेस के डेफिनेशंस थे क्या, कि जिसके पास बहुत पैसा है, धन दौलत है, वो बहुत अच्छा नहीं है. कभी कभी होता है, आप जब इंजीनियरिंग के लिए यहाँ पर आते हो औरंगाबाद में, एंड यू सी अ स्विफ्ट डिजायर, यू फील oh, I should have this car, it's very beautiful, and suddenly a Toyota Crista goes from there. which is 25 lakhs worth, and you think, this car is too beautiful, I should have this one. And then a Ford Endeavor goes, and you think, this is also beautiful, I should have this car too. And then a Fortuner of Toyota goes, and you feel, this is also much more better. And Audi Q7 goes, you say, this is best one, I should have this. And then a Mercedes Benz goes there, and you think, this is also. That is what, my dear friends, we think that if one has such kind of cars or gadgets, one is successful in his life. अभी मान लो जब जिसके पास अच्छा जॉब है, अच्छी पत्नी है, पति है, धन दौलत है, अच्छा सब है, we feel that he is successful. कोई बात नहीं. अभी देखते हैं जिनके पास ये ऑलरेडी सब कुछ है, क्या वो सक्सेसफुल है क्या? Let us see. Are they happy in their life? Let us see. So you are seeing some of the images here, Meena Kumari, Aurangzeb and Kishore Kumar. Let me tell you, my dear friends, Meena Kumari एक समय ऐसा था कि ये समय में जैसा I didn't know the heroines of current decade actually, but just a little bit knowledge of that. आज के जमाने की जो आलिया भट्ट या दीपिका पादुकोण जो भी है ना आपके, उस जमाने की मीना कुमारी थी. She was such a beautiful lady. She was having good dialogue, इतना beauty, and she was very spontaneous in her act. जो भी कोई opponent रहता था hero, he was forgetting his dialogue just by looking or just by having a glance. इतना ही नहीं, जब उनका पहला तो मूवी जब रिलीज हुआ तो देर में much more theater और क्राउड वहां पर आया. That was his fame. इतना ही नहीं, एक बार वो एक शूट कर रहे थे मूवी को, and there some dacoits came. So when those dacoits came over there, they all were now ferocious and they were fearing, they were in anxiety. अभी देखो लुटेरा अगर वहां पर आता है तो लुटेरा तो कोई आपका मूवी का सीन देखने के लिए नहीं आएगा, बिल्कुल लुटेरा आए तो लूट कर जाने के लिए आने वाला है. So now everyone was strange to see what he's going to do. And there was a good team of the dacoit. There were 20 people and there was knife and gun with them. So this dacoit came in front of Meena Kumari, and now director thought, now it's all over. It's all over. We need to pack up for entire life. What happened? You know what? जो बड़ा dacoit था ना, वो मीना कुमारी के सामने आया, and he just lifted his sleeves and he shown his, he was just lifted his sleeves and he was showing his hand, arms, and he was saying to the Meena Kumari, autograph please. And he gave a knife in the hand of her and said, please do autograph here. आज का जो सेल्फी लेते हैं ना, पहले वो समय में ऑटोग्राफ लेते थे, वो समय में सेल्फी नहीं था, अभी हम सेल्फी लेते हैं. So see, that was her, what I can say, femininity in the society. कि dacoit भी, लुटेरा भी autograph मांग रहा था, एक dacoit भी selfie मांग रहा था. That was his fame of life. That was his success of life. That was his achievements of life. But you know what? I will tell you that later. And second one person is Aurangzeb, one who was a much more wealthy person in India at those days. सब कुछ था उनके पास. So now see, we will see whether he was happy or not. तो आगे बात है. Then there is Kishore Kumar, such a prominent celebrity, well known. No, he is not a celebrity, he is a good singer. लोग बहुत मायूस हो जाते थे जीवन में, और बहुत सारे लोग इनका गाना सुनकर आनंदित हो जाते थे. That was his success. यदि किसी को किसी का नाम भी पूछा जाए तो इनके गानों लफ्जों में से वो उनका नाम बताते थे. That was his impact on the society. Now we may see in one perspective of our life, or what our definitions of the success were. Yeah, they are successful. They might be literally happy persons. Now we will see the reality of their life. This was on the screen, my dear friends. Now we will just go beyond the screen now. So Meena Kumari, she was such an influential, she was such a successful in his life, but you know what? She ended up her life very brutally. At those times, there were many people around her, but at the time of death, there was no one. And death of her was a mystery. Her death took place in Mumbai, in Elizabeth Hospital. And you know what? When she was about to die, at those days, she was totally intoxicated. She was just drinking. पानी कम पीते थे और शराब ज्यादा पीते थे वो. And at that time, there was no penny left with her. She was helpless, no money. And that was the situation how she ended her life. Now, this is second person coming here, Aurangzeb. सब कुछ था जीवन में. But when he was dying, my dear friends, what he said, you know? उस सभी आजू बाजू लोगों को बोला कि मेरी जो कब्र आप बनाने वाले हो ना, मेरे धन दौलत से मत बनाओ उससे, क्योंकि मैंने जो कमाई है ये धन दौलत, it is not a true wealth actually. पर हम पहले इस राजा बनने से पहले हम कई जगह पे काम किए थे, उससे हमने कुछ पैसा प्राप्त किया था, उससे हमारी कब्र बनाओ, इन चीजों से मत बनाओ भाइयों. He said that nothing comes with life, everything is useless. He said that. That are his words, not this Rahul Patil's words. It is Aurangzeb's words. And this is third person now, that is Kishore Kumar. किशोर कुमार के गाने सुनकर लोग पागल हो जाते थे. पागल है अभी है ना, something is trend is running. So लोग उस जमाने में इनके गाने सुनकर पागल हो जाते. But you know what? He also ended up his life very miserable. He was alone, staying at his home. There was no his wife and no sons with him, my dear friends. He was totally alone. इतनी शराब पीते थे कि उनके जीवन में अगर मान लो अगर 10 लीटर पानी पीना है तो 9 liters he used to drink wine and just 1 liter he may drink water. That was his life. And he ended up his life in such a way. So why it is so? Why they have ended up their life in that way? Before coming to this session, I was just doing some Google. My dear friends, let me tell you this reality and success story. देखो जीवन में काफी सारे लोग हैं. Actually, the rate of suicide, if you do the survey, those people who are much more successful, those who are intellectual, they committed suicide. The rate of intellectual people in committing suicide is much more higher than the farmers and other persons. Just nowadays, just recently, Sushant Singh Rajput, he committed a suicide, who was a great celebrity, good celebrity. He has ample of money with him. Fame was there, everything was there, but still he committed a suicide. Now that is a different tragedy behind the death. Let us see what it is, whatever. But that is what they are saying. Then there is a Silk Smitha, a Chennai celebrity. She also committed a suicide a decade before. Then there was Divya Bharati, who also committed a suicide. उसके बाद में आता है Aristotle, who was a famous Greek mathematician. He also committed a suicide, my dear friends. उसके बाद many more people, great people, some IPS officers of Delhi, they also committed a suicide. And when we tried to find out what was the situation, what was the inspiring him to suicide, then we came to know that was some family problems and anxiety and distress. So now, एक बच्चे के पास, एक व्यक्ति के पास सब कुछ होने के बावजूद वो एंजाइटी में कैसा रह सकता है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन में कैसा रह सकता है? Something is missing, and that is what you know. That are these 3 principles of life. If we are missing even either one from those 3, we may have these things, but we may not be successful because we may not be happy at that moment in our life. First is clarity, then is connect, and that is service. ये तीनों भी अगर मिसिंग होते हैं ना, सी मीना कुमारी के जीवन में अगर देखेंगे तो देखो उनके जीवन में उनको क्लैरिटी ही नहीं थी कि क्या क्लैरिटी है. She was not doing that, buddy. She was not connected with her life. Aurangzeb, same thing. Kishore Kumar, same thing. So we, as a part of a science student, as a part of engineering students, you must know what you wanted to be in your life, what actually really means success. और जब आपको पता चलेगा, आप ये सेशन के बाद इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करो आप खुद को, उसके पश्चात you try to connect with that reality now. Try to connect with that reality. You will find a hope, accept it, and go ahead in your life. Next, please. So, my dear friends, now let us say you all as a part of students, you understood and you got the clarity of your life. And now it is time to set a goal. If we are not setting a goal of our life, we are just randomly driving our car. with a fast speed, nothing. We are तो जैसे कि बोलते हैं एक फ्लाइट में एक बंदा जा रहा था और जो पायलट था इन्होंने अनाउंसमेंट किया. He said what you know? He said a good news to every passenger over here, and everyone was now very eager to hear. और वो बोला कि हमारी जो फ्लाइट है it is running 800 kilometers per hour, and everyone said wow, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Then immediately he said, पर पता नहीं हम सब कहाँ जा रहे हैं. वो हमारे जीवन की स्थिति हो जाती है यदि हमारे जीवन में गोल ही नहीं. So my dear friends, it is now that time to set a goal enough high to inspire you and low enough to encourage you. ऐसा गोल रखो which is very realistic and good to achieve and successful. Just don't ना चलो अभी एम करना है गोल करना है तो ऐसा गोल रखे बड़ा कि वो पहला गोल को देख के ही सो गया. This should not be the condition. I see many more times the students in their rooms. When I go to meet the students, some of the times I go usually to meet them and I see their textbooks lying on their table. And you know what? They have to actually clear that dust sitting on that books. क्योंकि बच्चे पढ़ाई करते ही नहीं. They are not studying. So we need to utilize that time, my dear friends. वो बोलते हैं ना जब नया किताब हम खरीदते हैं तो उसका बहुत अच्छा सुगंध आता है. तो हमें कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि कुछ इंजीनियरिंग के बच्चे बोलते हैं कि सर हम पढ़ाई करेंगे तो वो जो सुगंध है ना वो चले जाएगा. So why to miss that? And they think that better avoid reading. So that should not be the condition actually in life. There are always exams in our life, my dear friends. Next, please. So यहाँ पे second successful person, my dear friends, and why he achieved success is if they can do, why we not make this? I can't see students in yes. Clear focus होना चाहिए जीवन में. Make your goal as urgency of life. It should be urgency. Ambulance देखिए आपने कैसी दहाड़ती है, कैसी भागती है. There is only one goal for that ambulance, just to reach that hospital. That's all, nothing else. There may be many more obstacles, but there is only one goal for him to just reach that hospital in as far as limited time span. That should be the urgency of our goal of life. Then there is take responsibility. You need to stand for yourself, my dear friends. Then there is again, live for others, not for only self. बात सही है. जब हम self centered हो जाते हैं ना, अकेला पड़ जाते हैं. But we should be not self-centered, but we should be selfless, my dear friends, working for you and I, helping for others. I see some of the students, when they study, they come together and they just exchange their words, their understandings, and that enhances their knowledge of that particular subject and branch. It helps actually, and never forgets a person when he does that kind of discussion. So बिलगट क्या बोलता है यहाँ पर? He is saying, मेरी सफलता का कारण ये है कि मैंने बड़ी कम चीजों पर फोकस किया है. This is very important thing of our life. We wanted to focus, but we have diversion in our life to focus. We need to focus one particular thing. Yeah, come on, that should be the one motto. Next, please. Now, you all have seen many more movies in your life. I know you. I know. पर आज मैं एक ऐसा व्यक्ति आपके सामने ला रहा हूं that is a real hero on the real screen of life. He is not a hero on the fake screen, my dear friends. Come on. He is a real life hero. And I request everyone of you, one who is attending this session, देखो आपको और 30 मिनट में नहीं छोड़ने वाला हूँ. For further 30 minutes, you are going to be with me. पर यदि आप actively participate करोगे, you will enjoy this session. But if you just अभी सर ने बोला है तो सेशन को जाना है, ऐसे मोटिव से अगर हम आएंगे तो that we will unable to quench our hunger, my dear friends. देखो जितनी भूख हमें लगती है ना, जितनी भूख हमारे अंदर होती है उतना हम खाना खा लेते हैं, and to that extent we feel satisfaction. So similarly is about our life. To the extent we are hungry to achieve success and goals of our life, to this extent we are serious about life. So please be serious little bit. There's only 30 minutes left, my dear friends. Please be with me, my dear friends. I hope so you all are with me. And if it is so, please drop a message on the chat box saying that we all are with you, sir. I'm expecting at least 5 or 10 replies to come, and then only I will go ahead. I'm waiting for your replies, my dear friends. Unless and until I didn't get a reply, I'm not going to go ahead. Okay. I am seeing some replies. Oh wow, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you. It is encouraging me too. Thank you for being a part and being actively participating for the session. Now let us play this video. Be very cautious now.
न जाता त्यातून परत उभं राहणं आणि मग यशाची एक व्याख्या प्रस्थापित करणं
I hope
हे खूप
the
अवघड
video is
असतं आणि ही
audible for
किमया
you all.
करून दाखवलेली आहे औरंगाबादच्या वेव्स टेलिकॉमचे नितीन चव्हाण यांनी. तर वेव्स टेलिकॉम्सची सुरुवात कशी झाली, अपघात कधी झाला, हे अपंगत्व कसं आलं आणि त्यानंतर हे जिद्दीने उभं राहून पुढे इतका सक्सेसफुल बिझनेस करणं, हा प्रवास कसा झाला सर?
ते 2003ला मी वेव्स टेलिकॉम नावाची एक फर्म चालू केली.
बर.
भाड्याने दुकान घेतलं 2003ला. 2005ला मी ते विकत पण घेतलं
अरे वा,
लगेच.
वा.
आणि 2006ला फेब्रुवारीला मी काही कामानिमित्त हैदराबादला जात असताना ॲक्सिडेंट झाला. मग ॲक्सिडेंट झाल्यानंतर स्पायनल कॉर्ड इंजरी झाली. हे मला कधी कळालं की 3 महिन्यानंतर. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस मी हॉस्पिटलमध्ये होतो, उद्या सुट्टी होईल, परवा सुट्टी होईल, महिना 2 महिन्यांनी तुम्ही रिपेअर होशाल किंवा चांगले चालायला लागशाल, असं करून ते मला उभारी द्यायचे. सांगितलंच नाही. ज्यावेळेस मला 6 महिन्यानंतर मला एक डॉक्टरांनी सांगितलं का तुला आता हे सगळं आयुष्य व्हीलचेअरवर करायचं, त्यावेळेस मी खूप रडलो. खूप अक्षरशः जीवच नको मला असं झालं. आणि मग म्हणजे खूप असं कसतरी होतं. तो सर क्षण आता आठवला तर रडू येतं. मग सगळ्यांनी मला असं मोटिवेशन दिलं, खूप मोटिवेशन देऊन अरे असं नको करू, चमत्कार होत राहतात जगामध्ये. चमत्कार नावाची गोष्ट असते, ते चमत्कार होतात. तुमचं पूर्ण जीवन हे व्हीलचेअरवर आहे आणि तुम्हाला काम करावं लागेल. कारण माझ्या मागे होते आई वडील, 1.25 महिन्याचा मुलगा होता, मुलगा छोटा होता, मिसेस तिकडे होती डिलिव्हरीला गेलेली. मग ती पण आली सगळी. मग ते घरातच मला ते एक वॉटर बेड वगैरे इकडून तिकडंच होता, मला होता नव्हते, हात पण नव्हता उचलत माझा. पण माझा एक साला होता. सालानी मला काय केलं, त्यांनी मला 6 महिन्यानंतर ज्यावेळेस मोटिवेशन दिलं, भाऊजी काही नाही चला, त्यावेळेस त्यांनी मला सांगितलं का आपण परत दुकान टाकू म्हणे बाहेर. घरातून बाहेर काढलं त्यांनी मला. मग भाड्याने दुकान घेतलं एक कॉलनीतच आम्ही रोडवर. पण त्यावेळेस 2007लाच एका कंपनीनं औरंगाबादमधलं एक डिस्ट्रीब्युशन, म्हणजे एक नामांकित कंपनी होती, ते डिस्ट्रीब्युशन आहे ना, ते दुसरा डिस्ट्रीब्युटरचा काही प्रॉब्लेम झाल्यामुळं त्यांना डिस्ट्रीब्युशन द्यायचं होतं. ते माझ्या पुण्याच्या मित्राला कळालं. त्यांनी मला फोन केला, ह्या ब्रँडचं तू जर डिस्ट्रीब्युशन घेतलं तर तुझं नाव पूर्ण मराठवाड्यात होईल, त्यासाठी तुला हे करावं लागेल. मी इमिडिएट भाड्याची कार केली, पुण्याला गेलो. 3 ते 4 मजले होते, पायऱ्या होत्या, तिथं लिफ्ट बी नव्हती. त्या ब्रँच मॅनेजरला भेटलो. त्या ब्रँच माझ्या साल्याने दोघांनी गळ्यात हात घालून युरिन बॅग इकडं लटकून तिथं वरती नेलं. त्या ब्रँच मॅनेजरला बोललो, म्हणलं सर मला हे काम घ्यायचं आहे, तुम्ही काही करा. तो पहिला विचारलं त्यांनी, तुझी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट काय, तू किती इन्व्हेस्ट करू शकतो ह्या बिझनेससाठी. माझं 50 लाख रुपये लागतं म्हणे. म्हणलं सर माझ्याकडे फक्त 5 लाख रुपये, ते बी सोनं चांदी सगळं मोडून, सगळ्यांचं जेवढे माझ्याकडे जमा होत होते. ही गोष्ट आहे 2006ची शेवटची, म्हणजे 7ला सुरुवातीला. तर ते सगळं मोडून मी तो बिझनेसला त्याला 5 लाख रुपयाचं मी कबूल केलं. आम्ही मेहनत करू, आम्ही तुमचं नाव खूप वाढवू आणि तुम्हाला खरंच कंपनीला प्रॉफिट मिळवून देऊ. नाही म्हणे तुला हे काम नाही देऊ शकत. मोठ्या 2-4 लोकांची नावं घेतली, जे की औरंगाबादमध्ये एकदम ब्रँडमध्ये एस्टॅब्लिश होते. त्या लोकांना द्यायचं आहे म्हणे मला काम. तुला नाही देऊ शकत, तू मेहनत करशील पण तुझ्याकडे फायनान्स नाही आहे, तुझ्याकडे तेवढं इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर नाही आहे. मला नाही, मी करू शकतो सर, मला प्लीज तुम्ही द्या ही संधी. तिथून मी खाली आलो. त्यांनी तर ॲक्सेप्ट नाही केलं. पण परत खाली आल्यानंतर त्यांनी आम्हाला फोन केला, आमच्या मित्रांना, परत वर बोलवलं. मग वर बोलवल्यानंतर त्याच्या काय मनात आलं काय माहिती, जे फेल झालेले मॉडेल आहे ते मला दिले त्यांनी 5 लाख रुपयात. मी पण ॲक्सेप्ट केलं चॅलेंज. मग ते फेल झालेले मॉडेल मी ना ते 8 ते 10 दिवसातच विकले. मग त्याला कॉन्फिडन्स असा आला का, त्याचं मंथ एंड होतं, त्याला टार्गेट होतं, कुठेतरी त्याला बिझनेस दाखवायचा होता. मग ते म्हणजे तू सगळं घे. त्यावेळेस मला असं वाटलं का नाही आता थांबायचं नाही.
सर, चितळे साजूक तुपाचा एक साजूक आणि नाजूक प्रश्न पुढचा. सर, या सगळ्या अवस्थेकडे कधी कधी लोकांचा खूप सिम्पॅथेटिक व्ह्यू पण असतो.
तसं मी ते इग्नोर करतो. आता चमत्कार नावाचा शब्द विसरून गेलो. काम 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 करायचं.
हे चितळे उद्योग समूहाच्या वतीने तुम्हाला छोटंसं गिफ्ट सर. आणि खरोखर तुमच्या ही जिद्दीची जी कहाणी आहे ही खरोखर खूप इन्स्पायरिंग आहे. थँक्यू सो मच इथे आल्याबद्दल आणि इतकं मनमोकळं खरं बोलल्याबद्दल सर.
जिद की कहानी
प्रस्तुत करते माय FM आणि
तो अभी
विश्व कल्याण
आपने
मल्टीस्टेट
सबने
क्रेडिट।
देखा, you saw. Literally, he is on wheelchair. He is unable to do anything. सुबह के 10 बज जाते हैं उनको सब फ्रेश वगैरह होने के लिए, एक्सरसाइज मसाज ये सब करने के लिए. He can't just even move one step also from that wheelchair, my dear friends. But that is what he created such a miracle in his life. So now looking at this example, देखो, he is helpless physically, not to that extent fit to do something. And look at us, my dear friends. We are already physical fit. हम इतने बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं जीवन में. But you know what? No one can stop you from achieving success. There is only one devil mind can stop you from achieving that success, my dear friend. There is only one devil word. Devil mind can stop you. No one else. No one can pull you back. No one can stop you, my dear friends. There's only our mind can pull us back. That is only one thing can pull us back. तो इसलिए बोलते हैं धोखा जो है धोखा बाहर से नहीं है, धोखा तो अंदर से है, बाहर से नहीं है. Next please. So there is very one good and golden statement now I'm going to make here. This would be a tagline for today's session. बहुत सुंदर है. The tragedy is not that you couldn't achieve the goal. The tragedy is that you couldn't make a goal only. हम हमारे जीवन में कभी गोल मनाते ही नहीं है. So then how can we be successful in our life, my dear friends? Use your time, else you will lose the time. So it never makes sense what kind of watch you are wearing. Is it digital? Is it a smartwatch? Is it a Rado? Or is it a Sonata? Is it a Fast Track or Casio? 24 hours is everyone, is with everyone. 24 तास तो सब हर एक कोई भी व्यक्ति के पास है. But how he is utilizing that time, it makes much more matter. It makes sense there. Next, please. I can't see the slides. So you are seeing a new slide here where you will go without goal. Next, please. It's like playing cricket without stumps and boundary line. Next, please. It is like football without goal. It is a hockey without goal. Sitting in a bus without nameplate. Going to ticket counter for ticket but don't know where I wanted to go. It is like just you're going, you're boarding and वो बंदा पूछ रहा है आपको, सर आपको जाना कहाँ है? दे दो जो टिकट आपको मन में लगता है. You tell me. He will be strange to look at you. My God, what kind of person is? What kind of passenger is? I have never seen in my life. This is the reality of the life. बहुत बार होता है हमारे साथ. That is. So how we are driving our life day without any goal, destination makes much more sense. We need to have goal in our life, my dear friends. Next, please. Where we will go? Nowhere, 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 nowhere. यदि गोल ही नहीं जीवन में तो where we will land up? We also don't know where our destiny will take. Where is our destiny? We will also not know. तो बोलते हैं कि ताजमहल कितने बार बना है? So you all may say, sir, ताजमहल तो एक ही बार बना है. It is reality. There is nothing in that. But I will tell you, ताजमहल एक बार नहीं बना था. No, it is never. ताजमहल 2 बार बना है, my dear friends. So now you may think that कैसे सर को शायद नींद आ रही है, अभी आप सबको लग रहा होगा सर की नींद रात को पूरी हुई नहीं है, इसलिए सर इस ताजमहल 2 बार बना है. आई विल टेल यू, ताजमहल जो आर्किटेक्ट था ना, पहले उनके दिमाग में बना था. Then he put that on a piece of a paper, my dear friends, and then he literally made it stand on this earth, on this world practically. So literally it is like one should make a goal first on a piece of a paper and then on the screen, and then it will come up. Next, please. So now, come on, we have identified our goal also. You all are with me, I know. So clarity मिल गई. So we are finalizing our goal now. अभी जैसे कि एक बंदा ट्रैवल कर रहा है ट्रेन से और वो बाजू वाले को पूछ रहा है, भाई आपको कहाँ जाना है? वो बोलता पता नहीं. बाय द वे, मेरी बात छोड़ो, आपको कहाँ जाना है? वो बाजू वाला बोलता है सेम हियर, मुझे भी पता नहीं. सर माय गॉड. तो बाजू वाले को पूछता है ये ट्रेन कहाँ जा रही है? वो भी बोलता है मुझे भी पता नहीं ट्रेन कहाँ जा रही है, मैंने तो देखा इतनी सारी भीड़ है यहाँ पर, बहुत कुछ अच्छा होगा इसलिए मैं भी आ गया हूँ. So Now this is question for all of us. Are we also following such thing in our life? We need to introspect ourselves. I will keep it with you only. You introspect and come up with solution for that. Next, please. So now we are with our goals. Now it is time to identify your distractions. Next, please. Next. Next call, please. So now identify your distractions, my dear friends. What are those distractions which are taking you away from your studies, which are taking you away from your goals? And now that is on your screen. ये सब चीजें इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप, टिकटॉक, शायद टिकटॉक बंद हो चुका है, बहुत कुछ। अभी बच्चों के सामने बुक ही नहीं होता है क्योंकि इट हैज बीन रिप्लेस्ड बाय फेसबुक। वो फेसबुक आया ना, इसलिए वो बुक चले गया अभी। वो पबजी यहाँ पर I never know what the theme of that game is, but just understanding and just a part of knowledge I was knowing that एक बच्चा था वो पबजी गेम खेल रहा था। तो जब गेम खेल रहा था तो उसके पापा का मोबाइल लेकर खेल रहा था। बच्चा है, बच्चे के पास कहाँ उसका पर्सनल गैजेट होगा। तो पापा को ऑफिस के लिए जाना था। सो पापा सेड, बेटा आई एम गेटिंग डिलेड, आई एम गेटिंग लेट, प्लीज गिव मी माय गैजेट, माय सेट। And he was hesitating to give. You know what? I'm scoring here, and you nonsense, you are asking me your gadget. Wait for a while. And Papa just slapped him when you said that. And you know what strange? What that child did? He just knocked his father. He killed his father on the moment on the spot. That is the reality today. बच्चों को यदि आप वो छोटा मोबाइल नहीं देंगे तो ये वो तो एक तो मोबाइल फेंक देंगे या फिर दे में क्राई, इतना जोर से रोएंगे कि यू मे थिंक बाबा दिस इज गुड। ये आवाज सुनकर मैं परेशान हो रहा हूँ। सो दैट इज द रियलिटी ऑफ टुडेज लाइफ। सो दिस इज माय क्वेश्चन टू ऑल ऑफ यू, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर नॉट सीइंग दिस मूवी सैराट? ऐसा कोई भी नहीं होगा। मैंने गलत सवाल पूछा एक्चुअली। आई शुड आस्क यू हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव सीन दिस मूवी सैराट। तो आई होप सब हाँ बोलेंगे। सो दैट इज आवर डिस्ट्रैक्शन। यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट these are all fake things which we are seeing. This is all fake things. We need to stop this looking at, my dear friends. Please. So you need to find out your distractions and let us come up with a solution now. अभी हम कभी कभी देखते हैं इंजीनियरिंग के बच्चे फर्स्ट ईयर में बहुत उत्साही रहते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि हरियाली बहुत होती है कॉलेज में। Now you all understood what greenery I am telling. You all know. तो now depends, ये 4 साल आपको बस हरियाली देखनी है या खुद के जीवन में कुछ काम करना है। यदि बस 4 साल हरियाली देखोगे, इस समय तो बहुत जल्दी चले जाता है डियर फ्रेंड्स, बहुत जल्दी पास होता है। हरियाली देखोगे उसके बाद पूरा जीवन पछताना पड़ेगा। पर यदि आज अगर मेहनत करेंगे तो पूरा जीवन will be evergreen in your life, no doubt, no matter. But if you are trying to enjoy at this moment, my dear friends, it will be very tough time in future. It will be very tough time in future, my dear friends. So please, देखो, there will be always right things. It will come at the right time. Don't worry. This is time to study, set your goal and work for it. Don't make any other goals. Don't be distracted in your life. Please. And hope so you all are very fortunate because you are connected to the UOL club. We will take care that you should not get distracted, but now it depends on you whether you are going to hold it or you are going to leave it. So keep hold on. You'll be with us. You'll be successful. Definitely. Let us. Going ahead. Next slide, please. So now here are some don'ts which you all should never do in your life, my dear friend. That is reflecting in your screen right now. Here, do avoid. That is, first thing is postponing. Do not postpone anything in your life. The moment you are going to postpone, it says that you are lazy and you don't want it to do that. वो तो बस सांत्वन दे रहे आप आपको मन को, मैं करूंगा, नहीं करोगे आप, नहीं करोगे. So do not postpone. Second thing is competition. Stop doing this competition in your life. I hope you all know Karan and Arjun. I hope so. You should know actually because you all are Indians, my dear friends. I have something to tell you now. I hope you all are with me. If you are with me, please drop a message that we are with you. Please, I'm waiting. So see, Japan and Germany is known for their technology. France is known for their perfumes, which you all know very well. Good morning, good evening. ऐसा कुछ भी होता है perfume, I just heard. Park Avenue. So France is known for these perfumes, my dear friends. Italy and Paris is known for their passion, not passion, fashion. I'm saying that's you to know very well than me. Then is UK. UK is known for their royal comforts, and now it is India. India is known for its spirituality, for its culture, for its religions, etc. So do not compete, my dear friends. So as far as you belong to India, you belong to spirituality, definitely. So you should know Karna and Arjun. So हुआ ये कि उनके जीवन में अर्जुन was always focused with his life, but Karan, जो कर्ण थे, he was never focused in his life. He was just thinking just to pull Arjun. He was always to prove himself as much more great warrior than Arjun, and he ended up his life in that way only, just competing and end up in that way. But Arjun was successful. Why? Because he never did that kind of competition in his life. We should not do it. Envy, one should not have this envy towards others. Avoid it. क्योंकि ये envy जो है ना, ये हम दूसरे के प्रति जलते नहीं, हमें खुद को जला देता है. We will be sorrow, distress in our life. We will be never satisfied in our life. But be satisfied in your life. You have this envy. Bad association, very important. You should always avoid this kind of association. See, if a small drop, यदि वो अगर कमल पर गिरता है तो कोई उसका फोटो निकालेगा, स्क्रीनशॉट निकालेगा, सेल्फी निकालेगा उसके साथ, क्योंकि it is very crystal clear and very good to see. But same drop, if it is falling on this ground, it will be कीचड़ बन जाएगा वो. So it depends always whose association you are taking. It makes much more sense in one's life, my dear friends. Take a good association in your life, and hope you all are very fortunate because you are connected to the your club. Once again, I am saying this. Next, please. Next, please. Next slide. Okay, you go on video. Video को click करो. So
Discipline
how to
के
avoid
बिना
this
आप
distraction? Now this is one good video for you all. Please
जब
watch
तक
it
आपके
very
अंदर
attentively.
डिसिप्लिन नहीं होगा आप कभी भी फोकस नहीं हो सकते किसी चीज में. फोकस नहीं होंगे तो सक्सेस नहीं होगा, सक्सेसफुल नहीं बन पाएंगे आप. जैसे कि आपको एक कॉन्केव लेंस दे दिया जाए, सूर्य की किरणों की तरफ कर दीजिए, आप फोकल पॉइंट पे एक कागज का टुकड़ा रख दीजिए, क्या होता है? जल जाता है. अब ऐसे सनलाइट में आप रखोगे, जलेगा? नहीं जलेगा. सनलाइट वही है, लेकिन अगर फोकल पॉइंट पे उसको फोकस कर दिया जाए उस एरिया के सनलाइट को, तो क्या करता है? उसकी इंटेंसिटी बढ़ जाती है, उसका पावर बढ़ जाता है. लेकिन वो कला होनी चाहिए, पता होना चाहिए कि कैसे इस पूरे एरिया के लाइट को एक जगह पे फोकस करना. वो कला अगर सीख लिया, ये मनुष्य जीवन में किया जा सकता है. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डॉग एंड अस. तो इसलिए डिसिप्लिन, सब अपनी एनर्जीज को एक पॉइंट पे कंसंट्रेट करना ताकि हम कुछ अचीव कर सकें, अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त कर सकें. वो कला सीखनी चाहिए हमें. इसके लिए मनुष्य जीवन प्राप्त हुआ है. लेकिन कौन व्यक्ति डिसिप्लिन में रह सकता है? डिसिप्लिन का मतलब है मन बोलेगा वो भी करो, 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 ये भी अच्छा है, वो भी इंजॉय है, वहाँ भी इंजॉय करना है. लेकिन वो सब को साइड करके नहीं, मेरे पास जो एनर्जी उसको एक पॉइंट पे केंद्रित करूँगा, इधर उधर नहीं. अपनी प्रायोरिटी को क्लियरली सेट करना और उस प्रायोरिटी को अपनी सारी एनर्जी को कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर देना. पागल हो जाएंगे लोग, किसी को बोल दिया जाए ऐसा करने के लिए. कई लोग आगे थे, कैसे होगा? मैं तो एक दिन किया, मेरा मन पागल हो गया, जब लग रहा था मैं पागल हो जाऊंगा. मैं स्मार्टफोन यूज नहीं कर सकता 2 घंटे के लिए, ये कैसे हो सकता है? मर जाऊंगा मैं तो. 2 घंटे अगर व्हाट्सएप का मैसेज चेक नहीं किया, फेसबुक, मर ही जाऊंगा मैं तो प्रभु जी. मेरे से नहीं होगा ये आप ही कीजिए ये सब. ऐसा कैसे हो गया? अरे आज से 10 साल पहले व्हाट्सएप नहीं था, फेसबुक नहीं था, क्या लोग मर जाते थे? क्यों इतना पागलपन? वो भी चलो ठीक है, कम से कम जितने देर तक तुम स्टडी करते हो उतने देर तक तो कम से कम पेशेंस रखो. वो भी नहीं, ऐसे हो नहीं सकता. मर जाऊंगा मैं. कैसे मर जाओगे? ये दिमाग में बैठ गया ना उसके कि नहीं कर पाऊंगा. एक बार बैठ गया तो फिर बड़ा मुश्किल है निकालना. ये सोचो कि कर पाऊंगा मैं. क्या जिस तरह से मैं इसके चक्कर में फंस गया उसी तरह से निकल भी सकता हूँ. असंभव नहीं है ये. लेकिन ये सोच ले नहीं, ये हो ही नहीं सकता, मेरे से नहीं होगा, मैं सुबह उठ नहीं पाऊंगा 4 बजे, संभव नहीं है, मर जाऊंगा मैं। ये सोच लेना, जिस दिन व्यक्ति ये सोच लेता है उसी दिन वो मर गया। क्यों नहीं कर सकते? प्रयास करने में क्या जाता है कि नहीं?
Next please. So this is increase your practice my dear friends. जैसे कि आपने वीडियो देखा, so shorten a time, start using flight mode. इसके लिए नहीं कि उसका कॉल अवॉइड करने के लिए, but for distractions I'm saying. DND service. Have some limited time span to use your gadget for such kind of social apps and those things. And increase your practice my dear friends, because ये मन के ऊपर संस्कार जब होते हैं ना, तो we do accordingly. So you need to practice on your mind. Do it very attentively. Be focused in your life. Arjuna did that. In the morning, he used to gain a knowledge, and in the evening, he used to practice it. And he was such a perfect student that just by listening the noise, he was able to hit the arrow. That was his success. And then you all know that one. Next, please. So this is one more video, my dear friends. Very sweet and very good video. You can play it.
There's a popular quote going around at the moment. The person you will be in 5 years is based on the books you read and the people you hang around with today. This is quite true, but it applies to everything else as well. The person you will be in the future is based on everything you do today, the people you hang around with, but more so the people you listen to, the opinions you believe, the books you read, or the videos you watch. All the information you take in, positive or negative, will affect your future. The workouts you do or don't do, that will show up in the future. The foods you eat today will affect your future on a visual and energy level. The same is true with your thoughts and information. What you feed your mind will shape your future.
Thank you. So next, please. So this was a video where it is saying that how important your association is. How just association doesn't mean externally, my dear friends. Yes, externally matter तो करता है, आप किसके साथ हो, किसके साथ रह रहे हो, what kind of friends you all are having, matter तो करता है, but बात और भी उसके ऊपर है कि internal association. What is that internal association? That is your thoughts. And how come you get that thoughts? What books you read, what you eat, it also makes much more sense. देखो external चीजें इतना affect करते हैं, think of internal, and that is what food we are eating. It makes sense, makes much more difference in the life. So we need to be very cautious in our life, my dear friends. And that is what you are going to do in this 4 years of your engineering. That is what your destiny will be in your final year. Next, please. So this is what the slide I'm trying to show you here there about Karna and Arjun, as if we should not compete. Next, please. Next, Karan. So यदि एसोसिएशन अगर अच्छा रहेगा तो यू ऑल नो हुसैन बोल्ट वन इज अ गुड एथलीट जिसने रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किए सब. So he is such a person, he tried, he did much more intense practice in his life, and that is why it is reflecting in his destiny, that is he is successful in his life. Next, please. Go ahead. Next. Just one slide. So as I said before कि आपका जो एक्सटर्नल एसोसिएशन कितना मैटर करता है. देखिए एक बार सचिन तेंदुलकर को मास्टर ब्लास्टर के नाम से जाना जाता है. टुडे आल्सो पीपल नो हिम बाय दैट नेम. इतना ही नहीं बोलते हैं वो क्रिकेट का भगवान है, अभी वो पता नहीं, बट पीपल से. आई एम नॉट हियर टू मेक एनी कमिटमेंट ऑन दैट. यस, ही वाज अ वेरी गुड प्लेयर एक्चुअली, हैड अ गुड स्कोर. ही टुक द इंडियन टीम टू मच मोर हायर एक्सटेंट लिटरली. एंड वो एक समय था कि गली का एक छोटा छोटा बच्चा भी सचिन तेंदुलकर मास्टर ब्लास्टर से सब कोई जानता था कि कौन है. एंड दैट वाज ही मेड सच अ what I can say, great impact on the peoples around the world. Everyone was knowing him by his actions, by his what score he was securing there. But एक समय जीवन में ऐसा आया कि वो शतक नहीं लगा पा रहे थे, और इतना रूमरस हो गया, इतना रूमर हो गया, इतना रूमर हो गया कि हर कोई उन्हें वही बोलता था कि साहब आपका नेक्स्ट सेंचुरी कब आने वाला है. Every reporter coming over there and he is going to say, this is now next year, when will you hit a century? All the time you see that 90, 93, 94, यहाँ पे आप आउट हो रहे, इसकी शतक हो रही है अभी तो. But he was not getting any what I can say impact on him on of those things. But एक बार क्या हुआ, घर में एक बाई वाली थी, काम वाली. वो काम वाली साफ करी थी टाइल्स, and he saw that Sachin Tendulkar around. और क्या बोलते हैं सचिन तेंदुलकर? सचिन तेंदुलकर वो काम वाली बाई बोलती है, साहब साहब आपकी सेंचुरी अगली कब होने वाली है? तो सचिन तेंदुलकर thought, my God, it is to the extent I can understand what reporters are asking, but now काम वाली बाई भी पूछ रही है. And that is what somewhere he thought that what kind of peoples are around. वो एक समय था उनके जीवन में, एक फेज था उनके जीवन में. But still he continued, he did it, and we all know very well. Next, please. So examples of all those principles which we saw, it lands up in these things: gratitude, humility, and appreciation, my dear friends. It is very important in one's life. Kabhi, these are two images you all are seeing. Next, please. There is a speck at one side and there is a mirror at another side. Right to you, you can see a spectacle, and left to you can see a mirror over there. So what this picture means, what it means actually. So see, just now I'm wearing a spectacle, and if I would be as successful in my life, what will I do is, by wearing this spectacle, and when I would be successful in my life, I will tell the reality why I was successful. I was successful due to this person, I was successful due to that person. And when there will be failure in my life, what will I do? I will just take an image, I will take a mirror in front, and I will see there my reflection, and I may say that the reason for being failed in my life is myself itself. That's all. But there will be some kind of people, they may wear same kind of spectacle, and when they would be successful in their life, what will they do? If, let us say, if they would be failed in their life, they will see from the same spectacle and they will blame someone else, other. I am failure today due to this person, due to that person. And if such kind of person would be successful in his life, he would take a mirror and look at the mirror, and he would see the reflection of he himself in the mirror, and he would say there, क्या बोलेगा वो? आज इस मुकाम पर मैं आया हूँ, तो it is only this person, and the reflection में mirror में कौन दिखेगा? खुद दिखाई देगा. So that is what we feel. But that is not a reality, my dear friends. But the first case which I told, you should always wear a spectacle. The things are same, but thoughts are much more different. The way you think, the way you thought, the way you have gratitude. So you should always wear a spectacle. And whenever you are successful in your life, you should look at those persons from that spectacle who made you to stand there, who made you to come there. You should acknowledge it. And whenever you find a failure in your life, my dear friend, let us go in front of a mirror and just look and have a watch. There will be a reflection of you yourself standing over there in the mirror. And you may tell yourself that I am failure. Me, myself, is responsible for that. And you know what? Why there is a failure in your life? Because we doesn't do things at the right time, at the right place. अभी बच्चों को पढ़ाई करना है तो बच्चे बोलते हैं सर अभी एग्जाम्स, हाँ सर बहुत परेशानी है ये एग्जाम्स तो. There is one good catchy line every time engineers say, which I wanted to tell you all now. Have your eyes and ears very open. That is, बच्चे बोलते हैं इंजीनियरिंग के एग्जाम तो एक साया है, क्योंकि 10वीं में भी एग्जाम, 10वीं में बोले बस इतनी बार बोर्ड एग्जाम, 11वीं 12वीं में आए तो आप भी बोले नहीं बस एवढंच फक्त 12वीं पर्यंत. जब 12th खत्म हो जाता है, so then again they say just this engineering, my dear friends, nothing else. And in the first year when we see the rotational motion and those all physics things, we say my God, it is still coming here. Still I have to study, still I have to work hard, hit things again in that way. So Exam is always in your life, my dear friends, till the death. One can't run away from that. तो बच्चे बोलते हैं एग्जाम तो एक साया है, एग्जाम के दिनों में कौन सुखी रहता है। एग्जाम तो एक साया है, एग्जाम के दिनों में कौन सुखी रहता है। फिर भी लोग कहते हैं अच्छे नंबर लाओ, फिर भी लोग कहते हैं अच्छे नंबर लाओ। तो बच्चे बोलते हैं अब इन्हें कौन बताएगा सर, ये सब मोह माया है। So my dear friends, when you are looking at the greenery, you don't feel there is a moh maya. And when you wanted to, when you are supposed to study for yourself, for your life, you think that is moh maya. That is wrong. Okay, let us go ahead. Next, please. Next, please. So here are some good pictures which you can see. At one part, you can see at your right side there is a bowl of ice cream, and at the left side you can see a candle. What we can learn from this? So ice cream means it is. Now see, I'm connecting you to the third principle of success. हम जब पहले सक्सेस के बारे में सोच रहे थे तो that was regarding clarity. And when I was speaking with all you with a goal and distraction, what was that? That was connecting to the reality. And now what I'm discussing from this slide is that is service. Service to the self and to the society. First self and to the society. Why I'm saying self? But you need also to save yourself. You need to know who you are, why you came here. Some another day we will definitely see this. So for this moment, the two images are striking, are reflecting on your screen, that are candle and ice cream. If someone eats ice cream, क्या होगा? ज्यादा से ज्यादा बस आनंद आएगा। कहाँ तक? ये गले से जब नीचे जाता है ना, वहां तक ही आनंद आता है, उसके बाद में nothing. Tomorrow it will go out in your flesh. There will be no difference. वो आनंद है, बात सही है, पर वो आनंद इज वेरी फ्लिकरिंग, वेरी स्मॉल, दैट इज फॉर सेल्फ। वो थोड़ा खुद के लिए आनंद प्रदान करता है, बट इट इज वेरी स्मॉल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। सो सेकेंड इमेज है यहाँ पर, वो है कि कैंडल। कैंडल क्या करता है? कैंडल इट इल्यूमिनेट्स अदर्स but it burns itself. So one should be such a person in life. He should give good things to others, and he should go in much more anxieties, much more struggle, but he should know himself very well. Is it not? So he should help others, my dear friends. He himself can go some of the time for in some, let's say, troubles or something. He can go through it, but he should always try to help others. Next, please. And now very important thing of the life of this session, that is importance of GPS in your car. Is it important, my dear friend? Definitely. And what it helps actually is, let's say I'm very far away from you all, but still I can say you all are in Maharashtra, in Parbani, Aurangabad, Akola, Buldana, Washim, Yavatmal, Nanded, wherever. तो आपको अगर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में से दूसरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जाना है और कार में आप बैठे हैं एंड यू डोंट नो द रोड मैप, व्हाट विल यू डू? यू जस्ट ऑन दैट जीपीएस इन योर लाइफ, है ना? वो जीपीएस ऑन करोगे तो आप वो मुकाम तक पहुंच जाओगे। सो नाउ सी, दिस इज जस्ट अ प्रैक्टिकल, अ नॉर्मल जर्नी when you are going from one place to another place. And now look, very important thing, and now this is journey of your life, my dear friends. When in this practical way, when you are supposed to go from one place to another place, you need GPS in your car. Don't you? We need GPS in our life, my dear friends. Is it no or yes? Ha ya na? आपके सामने है. I'm expecting that you will comment in your chat box. I'm waiting for that. Yes or no? Do we need GPS in our life? What does that GPS mean in our life? That is mentor. That means what? Someone senior, where we are somewhere accountable. We should have accountability of that. One who is inspiring us. Yes or no? Yes, I am getting your answers. Many of the students, they are saying yes. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you for participating in that. So yes, my dear friend, it makes much more sense. जीवन में एक सीनियर, एक मेंटर अवश्य है. You should always have, because it helps us to give guidance and to reach that particular destination. Next, please. Abhi, this is last slide on your screen. 5P फॉर्मूला। यदि कोई बच्चा हो सकता है आप में से पूरा सेशन इतना भटका हुआ था, बहुत जगह जगह से घूम कर आ गया, कोई बात नहीं, आई एम हैप्पी विथ यू माय डियर। अगर पूरा सेशन एंजॉय भी किया है तो भी हैप्पी हूँ। नाउ दिस इज लास्ट स्लाइड आई एम टेलिंग यू 5P फॉर्मूला विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ। यदि इसको अगर समझ जाओगे आप, पूरा सेशन समझ जाएगा आपको। As if you all are students, you should know first P, that is priority. What is priority in your life? As if you are an engineering student, the priority of your life is to study. And the moment you come to know your priority is to study, you should plan. That is second P. Plan for it. And the moment you are planning for it, the third P, practice it. Practice it. Practice makes man perfect. And what is fourth P? That is push and pull. Push and pull means what? You should have such kind of friends and mentor in your life who will always push and pull you. What is push? He will always push you to do something good, and he will always pull you from something bad which you are doing. So that is push and pull. And that is fifth one, that is prayers, which makes much more sense in our life. We always need a blessings of our elders, my dear friends. So thank you much more, very much. Next slide, please. So this was 5P formula, and thank you all. I'm very happy, and I acknowledge everyone, those who are participating for this session. I thank you all for being a part of this session. If we have time, just I wanted to know, can you have questions? So we can take 1 or 2 questions if we have time. If not, if there are any other announcements, we can go for it. So if you are supposed to ask any question, you may raise your hand so that a host or organizer, he may unmute you so that you can speak. Is there anyone here? I don't see, there is no question, no problem. So second thing is, either if you are hesitating to ask a question, the second thing is you may either drop a message in the chat box. That also you can do. I'm further here to take 1 or 2 questions if you have, else we will conclude the session. Anyways, there are no questions. So I'm happy with it. Why? Because एक तो एक बात हो सकती है आपको पूरा सेशन बहुत अच्छा लगा, या दूसरी बात हो सकती है आपको कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया. So there may be two things either. Anyways, are any questions in the chat box reflecting over there? Okay, there are no questions, so no problem. Thank you, my dear friends. Just a flashback for the session. आज हमने क्या देखा है, तो that is what actually success means, and I told you the success differs with respect to person, my dear friends. Then what was the second thing which we saw today? That is, okay, what are the principles of success? That is 3. What is that? Those 3. First is clarity of life, and when the moment you know the clarity of your life, you should be trying to connect to that clarity. And third yes is service towards self and others. And then we saw a third part, that was setting the goal in life is more important. Then it's the fourth thing, identify your distractions. Then fifth thing, do we need to practice? Yes, of course. And that was the last but least, the sixth one, that is importance of GPS in the car. Similar, that is a mentor in our life. So thank you, my dear friends. I will conclude from my side. And if there are some further more announcements to be done, I hope the organizer will take ahead the session. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. We have understood the actual definition of success in our life. And I think the Evolve Club is doing the job of that concave lens and GPS in our car. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
And if anyone, any of the participants have any of the question, please raise your hand or drop in the chat box.
Muniraj, would feedback from
Okay, in the chat box, I have sent the Shrikant sir has sent the one Google form link. You have to submit your responses there. And for further sessions of Evolve Club, the notice will be given on our WhatsApp group itself. And at the last, I would like to give you a best luck for your examination that are going to start from the 1st of the April. And sir, I think there is chat box. Sir, are you there?
So yes, I can see a small question in chat box, that is, how would you suggest on finding the GPS? Wonderful. So my dear friend, thank you for asking such a brilliant and intellectual question. How can we find that GPS in our life? It is literally very right. So I can tell you, first thing is, you should see such a senior person in your life, one who has already achieved success in his life. He has already at a good position. Let's say if he is in the teaching field, is at a good college, or let's say if he's working in some company, he should be a good MNC. You should be working in the MNC and at the good position, a good reputation. And third thing is, not only those all things, but those principles which we are seeing here, is he following in his life or not? Still, much more important thing is, see, there is one way of going through life, and there are many more hurdles and distractions will be always coming in the life. So we should be such a kind of person who has already gone through those situations in the life, and we can see such a person just not by asking, but by just looking at his life. We will definitely understand. And much more important thing is, as if it is your question, so that is why I'm not hesitating to participate for this question. That is, your club. Dekho, there are many more vehicles in the market. There are many more peoples around you. Similarly, there would be many more clubs also around us. But this your club is doing a marvelous and wondrous job, my dear friend. This your club is trying to give you that GPS. This your club is trying to give you that kind of GPS in your life. It will always help you and to go ahead in your life. So I hope you can definitely see such kind of person who has already gone through such hurdles and situations in the life, and is always at a good reputation, and still he is following those principles. And at the same time, when he has achieved all those things, still he is always a happy person, and he is contributing for self and also to others. Such person we can accept as a GPS in our life. And at the same time, you always see you all are taking education from such a reputed institute where you can see there is staff for you, that is authorized staff. सब लोग वहां पे कुछ डिग्री हासिल करके ही वहां पर आए। नॉट ओनली डिग्री माय डियर फ्रेंड, बट they were being interviewed in the college. And now those staff which you have, there was some stuff for them also in their life. They are also student for someone in their life. So you can see this chain. If there is such kind of chain in our life, it makes much more sense in our life, my dear friends. Because we don't have to waste our time and energy in finding solutions for that. Because this is what already mentor which we have is he has already gone through such situations. Definitely will help us. So I hope you got the answer for that.
Yes.
If
Thank
there
you,
are any more
sir. Thank you for
questions,
answering
you
the.
all can literally participate by dropping a comment. Is there any questions? So I acknowledge what message you have dropped at the chat box. Thank you very much. So else, if we don't have any question, we can conclude the meeting. If we have, we can go ahead. And as if I see there is a feedback form reflecting on the screen, I request each one of you to please fill that feedback form. देखो जीवन में ऐसे बहुत सारे मोटिवेशनल टॉक है या रियल लाइफ स्टोरीज या मच मोर वी हैव सीन वी हैव हर्ड, पर वो हर बार एक चीज होती है जीवन में, जितनी आपको प्यास लगी, जितनी आपको भूख लगी है किस चीज को हासिल करने की, to the extent you will be eager to achieve that. So my dear friends, you might be have learned or inspired by 10 points out of this session, or let's say 2 points out of this session. All the best. Good, no problem. Now try to work on those points. That is much more important. And never forget the 5P formula which I told you at last. I myself have practiced those 5P formula when I was a student like you all. So thank you.
Adila, thank you, sir, for giving your precious time for all of us and answering all questions. Now, if no one has any doubt, then we can conclude the meeting.
Yes.